Check out successful Etsy shops. Some have made over $1.5 million in revenue by selling simple designs. Get paid $35.70 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot with this simple, passive income method. Today, I'll show you how to set up this system for free using Google Trends and an amazing online design tool. You can start earning without spending a penny up front, so stay with me as I guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. First, go to Google Trends, a platform where you can discover trending topics from around the world. It's the perfect tool to find hot trends that are going viral right now. I'll walk you through a trend that can generate serious money. The best part? This method allows you to get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, or directly to your bank account, even if PayPal isn't available in your country. Keep Google Trends open as we continue. Now, head over to k.com, a free online design tool powered by advanced AI. It's perfect for creating stunning designs, templates, logos, icons, and more, even if you have no prior experience. I'll show you how to use k.com with Google Trends to make over $35 every 10 minutes. After signing up, your K dashboard will display a variety of templates for logos, t-shirts, posters, and more. You can use its tools to edit designs, add unique fonts, and create eye-catching graphics. This platform is packed with ready-to-use resources, making it easy for anyone to jump in and start designing. Let's move on to the next step. Go back to Google Trends and search for Halloween. Set the location to worldwide. Every year as Halloween approaches, interest in costumes, decorations, and party supplies skyrockets. This creates a golden opportunity to tap into the trend and start earning. Now, return to k.com and search for Halloween to find tons of ready-made t-shirt designs. Choose any template, such as the Let's Go Ghoul design, and personalize it. Rename your project and save it. Adjust the canvas size to 12 by 16 inches, ideal for t-shirt designs, and modify colors, text, and layout to make it unique. K.com's intuitive tools, including vector-based designs and customizable color palettes, make the process effortless. Let me share some secret tricks to make your design stand out. Use shortcuts like Ctrl-A to select all elements or Ctrl-Z to undo actions. Experiment with font styles, text transformations, and shadows to create unique visuals. You can also add textures to your design or use KAI to generate high-quality images with a simple text prompt. Once your design is ready, use the mockup feature to place it on products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Adjust your design to fit perfectly, and download the final mockup. You can create designs for various items like wall art, candles, and pillows, ensuring you have plenty of options for your online store. Finally, head over to Etsy.com, a global marketplace for selling custom products. You can list your t-shirt designs, mugs, and more. For inspiration, check out successful Etsy shops. Some have made over $1.5 million in revenue by selling simple designs. Create your Etsy store and start uploading your products with mockups made on k.com. If you're consistent, you could achieve similar success. That's it for today's guide. Start now, and you'll be ready to cash in on the next big trend. Thanks for watching.